Well, I cut the bottle off, and then my battery went in the camera for some strange reason, because it's a big battery, but it's not finished, but I got that far. So we want a couple of teeth, maybe, and some hair, and the strap that goes around his head. Right, we're going to do a bit of burning, and we'll get on with it. Well, I was moaning about not filming, and then I forgot to switch it on anyway. What it is the tops and bottoms very heavily galvanized, because it obviously dipped. The old wheels shift twice as much material than them other things. I'll just tack them and then I can put my helmet on. That's the hot one. I found a hot one. Right, I'm gonna weld them all on now, properly. You can hear it when it's a bit of gilby. You get a sound effects from nurden.
You alright?
You bought another one?
I've upgraded it.
Another doodly.
This is the second one, isn't it?
He's on his way up today.
It's like opps.
I gotta do it. I'm just gonna do like one tub.
Oh, I like what you've done there, Rob. You left that in there. Oh, we are video there.
Yeah, you are actually. You gotta come by here. Tony. You all know him. Go to his channel. Oh, this is nothing. Go to his channel.
Cheers, Rob.
Right. I've had my little visitors. That was Tony, another welder, another great lad, great family. We get on well. Hot, but that's his tough. The thing is with plasma, even though we all say we love the plasma, but the thing is with plasma cutting, we all love plasma cutting, but it takes a lot of work then to clean up that bit of metal. Let me roll this. Roll it, roll it, roll it. That's the beauty of having a roller. This does it a lot easier. I'm going to weld that on there like that. And then I'll just go around there. Get this cut up in there. Okay, there's only one way I can do this. Stay with me. Remember that? Skinhead O'Connor. Stay. Somewhere on you is a tough. I want him to be like that. I had one piece of hair left. I was actually going to do a little goatee, but maybe not. There he is, and he's pointing. I got a bad tooth. I got a bad tooth, mister. Me and my partner. That's him. Now the question is day and a half, well, day and a couple of hours. How much would you charge? Okay? Because we're constantly getting what's the least you'll take. Okay? Well, I always say when somebody says that, what's the least you'll take? I always say, I'll take whatever you're earning per day, even if you're on the door. And that seems to make them go away. You know, you put the work in, and then somebody wants to upset you by saying, I'll give you 10, I'll give you a tenner, you know? You know, I've been selling stuff all my life, so I'm quite used to people saying whatever they want to say. Well, he's gone already. He's gone to a good home. He's now up for grabs. He'll go on Facebook this afternoon. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry this is a short video, but we did get plenty. If you want to see how they're made, just go back to that video. So I got to sit down now and take a few photographs. Thanks all. Cheers.